I know what you're thinking. Why is this course about English prepositions so long? Can't I learn how to use prepositions in a shorter course? The answer is no. Why is the answer no? Because prepositions are one of the most difficult aspects of mastering native English. Really, even very high-level English learners don't use prepositions correctly all the time. Why? Because each one can be used in so many different ways. It depends on how it's used. It depends on the context, the situation. And so the only way to really learn is to be a native English speaker. I'm a native English speaker. I just use prepositions naturally whenever I speak. I don't think about it. Now, how did I get that? A lifetime of experience. My whole life I've been swimming around in the swimming pool of English, speaking English my entire life. What I've done in this course is compress that entire lifetime of experience of being a native English speaker. I've compressed it down to this single course, to a series of lessons, one by one, about the common prepositions, so that by the end of the course, you will have a very strong understanding of each preposition. You'll be able to start using them naturally without thinking in your daily life. That's why this course is so long. You're getting a lifetime of experience. I think that's a pretty good deal. If you're ready to learn, if you want to start using prepositions like a native, this is the course for you. I hope you sign up, and I hope I see you in the first lesson.